Watch how to make ginger girdles to burn off fat from the night. A lot of people are in search of a method that allows them to burn fat quickly and effectively. There are medical treatments that are effective, but they are very expensive, and if you do not take care of yourself correctly, your investment goes to waste. For this reason, natural treatments have become an excellent option, and we will recommend an excellent treatment based on ginger, with which you can burn belly fat overnight. Continue watching this video to let you know about this incredible method. Ginger belts to burn fat while you sleep. Now we will proceed to the culminating moment in which we explain how they should make their strips of ginger, which will help you burn fat while you sleep. Ingredients: 1. An elastic bandage. 2. A towel. 3. 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. 4. 5 tablespoons of body cream. 5. A plastic wrap. Process: 1. Take the towel and soak it in hot water, then apply it in the area where you want to remove the fat. This will help open the pores of your body, so that the treatment works effectively. 2. Mix ginger and body lotion. 3. Remove the towel from the body, and apply the preparation of ginger in the area. 4. Add the plastic wrap and elastic bandage over it. 5. Let the treatment work on your body for at least 6 hours. It is advisable to apply the treatment before going to sleep, and to leave it to act until the morning, when waking up. If you begin to feel a kind of tingling in the area, it means that the ginger compress is actually doing its job, and the method is working. So under no circumstances should you withdraw it. As simple as this treatment looks, we assure you that you will be burning belly fat and nearby areas at night. Best of all, in just a matter of weeks you will begin to see results. Plus you will not have to limit yourself to your favorite foods, and spend whole days doing exercise.